getting a cap on the wig, you're getting the lace pre-cut. The layers in the hair is also pre-cut. The hair is pre-curl. Guys, look at this. It's the true definition of a HD lace. Perfect and spectacular. I love it. But let's talk about the drawstring because it is perfect for any head size. It doesn't matter if you have a small, medium, large. You can install this wig and you're just going to use a drawstring and it's going to frame your face and the wig is going to be sitting on top of your head. You hear me? It's the perfect thing. It's the best thing since they came out with drawstring. I love that so much. The HD lace is top tier as well. The quality of these lace are amazing. I am going to show you guys the difference between the HD and the transparent lace. The wig quality is amazing. The pre-curls. Are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Pre-curls, soft pre-curls. The curtain bangs, so you guys already know it's gonna float. Okay. Let's not get too. Let's pull the wig tight for extra security. Remember, I'm wondering, do we even need to spray this down? Like, look at that. OMG. I'm so happy. Like, I'm telling you, they're like, oh, guys, look at the scalp. Like, no makeup, no nothing. That's just the cap that is added to the wig. So there's a cap on the wig already. How cool. Come on, Beauty Forever. Now, we're gonna go ahead before I do anything with this wig, and you already know we're doing an updo because look at that already. Look at that already. Let's do the demonstration for the drawstring, because if you don't have a drawstring wig, especially if you cannot install your wig, I don't know what you're doing. Let's show you guys. Now this is the drawstring right here. Hopefully you guys can see. This is how it looks. As you see, the cap is on my head. We're gonna pull the drawstring. OMG, look at that.
OMG.
Look at that. And then this is how it operates. You're gonna use this and pull it to secure the drawstring. And then this that's left, nah, nah. Okay, all right, free. And it's a free part wig, which means I can style it however I want. All right, let's get into styling because it's giving the HD lace, the curtain bangs. Look at that. You don't need to curl the wig. If you are a beginner, you like a body wave, you like a celebrity style looking wig, this is the wig for you. So natural. It's a frontal, and how the curls are as is. It's not too much. Like, yeah, look at that. I like it. What do you guys think? All right, so I showed you guys a ponytail. Now look at that. Free parting. Yeah, we just had this wig in a ponytail. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it as is. I did a similar wig to this some weeks ago, and when I tell you it was everything, I was just looking at myself. When I tell you it was everything, as soon as I took the wig off, I had to put it back on. I had to. Now, Beauty Forever here, I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy this is the last wig for the week because we're gonna reinstall her. I love this one, guys. I absolutely love this one. It didn't take a lot. It just, the requirement is minimal. And I love that I don't have to curl it. Even though I just put the hair in a ponytail, I don't have to curl it. So I'm gonna leave you guys right here with this. Go, make sure you click the link in my description. This wig will be available for you. The quality, top tier. Free parting, if you want middle, a ponytail, side, it's this wig. Yeah, if you want a bang, it's this wig. Okay, look at that. I love it. So it's gonna be in my description. You guys should shop. This one is 24 inches. You can go longer, you can go shorter. I think the 24 is the perfect length. I just cannot believe how beautiful. Like, y'all see these curls? Look at that. And I'm combing the hair so much. So I'm gonna leave it as is. But make sure you shop Beauty Forever here. It's HD lace. So baby, there's no lace because we're not wearing a shoe. No lace, sweetie. So make sure you shop that. The lace is spectacular as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, it's a drawstring wig, so it's not going nowhere. Look, like, I could be like, and the wig is still gonna look nice. Perfecto. If you want to do it like this, no worries. You see how much style I'm creating without creating a style? Look. If you're a girly at work, here we go. Ponytail down. This is for you. Yeah, it is. All right. So this is it. Make sure you shop Beauty Forever here. The link is there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay? Bye now.